When it comes to protecting your home in Washington, D.C., from the elements, security threats, and potential damage, one of the most effective solutions is installing impact windows. While many homeowners focus on doors, roofs, and walls for protection, your windows are often the most vulnerable part of your home. Impact windows offer enhanced protection, durability, and energy efficiency, making them a smart investment for any homeowner looking to improve their home's resilience, security, and overall value. Here's why you should consider impact windows for your Washington, D.C. home. Enhanced protection against extreme weather. Washington, D.C. is no stranger to extreme weather events. From strong thunderstorms and high winds to winter storms, the region's weather can put significant strain on homes, especially windows. Standard windows are susceptible to shattering or breaking under severe conditions, which can lead to costly repairs and property damage. Impact windows are specifically designed to withstand harsh weather, such as high winds, heavy rain, and even flying debris during a storm. These windows are made with reinforced laminated glass and high-strength frames that prevent shattering, ensuring that your home remains secure and protected, even during the most severe weather events. In Washington, D.C., where hurricanes or tornadoes can occasionally affect the region, impact windows provide an extra layer of safety. They are tested to meet stringent building codes designed to withstand high-impact winds and debris, giving you peace of mind knowing your home is better protected. Improved security and protection from break-ins. The security of your home is a top priority, and your windows are often the most vulnerable entry points for burglars. Standard windows can be easily broken, allowing intruders to gain access to your home. Impact windows offer superior protection against break-ins due to their reinforced design. Impact-resistant glass. The laminated glass used in impact windows is designed to be much more difficult to break than traditional glass. Even if a burglar tries to force their way in, the glass won't shatter, giving you more time to react or for authorities to respond. Stronger frames. Impact windows are built with reinforced frames that provide added strength, making it harder for intruders to remove the window from its frame or tamper with the locking mechanism. By installing impact windows, you significantly enhance the security of your home, making it more difficult for burglars to gain entry, and providing you with peace of mind knowing your family and belongings are better protected. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Washington, D.C. experiences a variety of weather conditions throughout the year, from hot summers to chilly winters. Your windows play a key role in regulating your home's temperature and energy efficiency. Impact windows offer superior insulation compared to traditional windows, helping to keep your home at a consistent temperature year-round. Reduced heat transfer. Impact windows are often equipped with insulating layers and low-E coatings, which help block heat from entering your home during the summer and retain warmth inside during the winter. Lower utility bills. By improving your home's energy efficiency, impact windows can help reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems, leading to lower energy bills over time. These savings can add up significantly, making impact windows a wise investment. For homeowners in Washington, D.C., Where both hot summers and cold winters are common, impact windows provide a way to keep your home more comfortable and energy efficient throughout the year. Noise reduction. Washington, D.C. is a vibrant city with a bustling urban environment. Whether you live near a busy street, a train station, or a commercial area, noise pollution can be a constant issue. High levels of noise from traffic, construction, and city life can disrupt your peace and affect your overall well-being. Impact windows are not only effective at protecting your home from extreme weather and break-ins, but they also provide soundproofing benefits. The laminated glass used in impact windows absorbs sound vibrations, significantly reducing the amount of external noise that enters your home. This makes them an ideal choice for homeowners who live in noisy areas and are looking to create a quieter, more peaceful living space. With impact windows, you can enjoy a more serene environment inside your home, free from the constant disturbances of city noise. Increased property value. When it comes to home improvements, few upgrades offer as much return on investment as impact windows. Not only do they enhance the safety, comfort, and energy efficiency of your home, but they also increase its market value. Curb appeal. Impact windows are available in a variety of styles and designs that can enhance your home's exterior appearance, adding to its overall curb appeal. Buyers are often attracted to homes with modern, secure, and energy-efficient features, which can increase demand for your property. Attracting buyers. Home buyers are increasingly looking for homes that offer superior protection and energy efficiency. Impact windows are a great selling point, as they improve the home's resilience and can lower long-term maintenance costs, making your property more desirable in the competitive Washington, D.C. real estate market. By installing impact windows, you not only improve your home's quality of life but also increase its potential resale value, making it a smart investment for the future. Low maintenance and durability. Impact windows are built to last, with materials designed to withstand the test of time. Unlike traditional windows, which may need frequent repairs or replacement, impact windows are made with durable materials that resist wear and tear from the elements. Their robust construction ensures long-term performance with minimal maintenance. Additionally, impact windows are typically easier to clean and maintain compared to older window models, further enhancing their convenience. Conclusion. Impact windows are a smart investment for Washington, D.C. homeowners who want to improve their home's security, energy efficiency, and protection from the elements. Whether you're concerned about extreme weather, break-ins, noise pollution, or increased property value, impact windows provide a comprehensive solution that addresses these issues. By upgrading to impact windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and energy-efficient home, while also increasing its long-term value. Investing in impact windows is one of the best ways to protect your home and family while enjoying the many benefits of enhanced safety, efficiency, and comfort.